There's nearly 100 years of history in this company and 100 years of innovation. From our origins as a letterpress book printing company to the dynamic folding carton packaging specialists we are today. We've never been afraid to be first. We had the first offset press in our district in 1963 and the first two-color press in 1971. In response to customers' demand, in the 1980s we reinvented ourselves as specialists in high-quality folding carton packaging. And since then, we've kept investing in technology solutions to meet the evolving demands of our market. Demand for short-run, fast turnaround work continued to grow over the years. In 2018, we recognized that we needed a digital press solution and a partner that understood our market and our business. A partner that could make digital print technology work for us. So we turned to Fujifilm and the 720S, allowing us to print short-run work and high-quality samples cost-effectively for the first time. Since then, we've also invested in the faster JetPress 750S, boosting our short-run capabilities still further. And in keeping with our reputation for technology firsts, we've become the first company in Europe to use Fujifilm's new food-safe inks for the JetPress. Packaging for food products is a huge proportion of the folding carton market. And now we can bring the benefits of personalization, customization and short-run work to this huge market segment for the first time. As run lengths continue to come down and expectations of quality and speed of delivery continue to go up, our partnership with Fujifilm gives us both the technology and the support to face the future with confidence.